Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing, very informal unboxing. I got, I believe, 2 watches here. I also want to thank one of the Redditors for turning me on to knives in AliExpress. So this is a Gonzo Firebird something or other. Pretty decent little knife. I know nothing about knives, but we'll get in there. Let's see here. Ugh. So this should be, my goodness. I'm going to pause this and I'll come right back. All right, we are back. Yeah, let's dig in. I got 2 boxes here. I don't know which watch is which. So we are going to, open this up off camera. Okay. So this first one, this is kind of that Royal Oak chronograph homage. I don't like the fact that this thing is just floating around in there. It's going to scratch up a little bit, but the watch does look pretty good. So yeah, I'm not going to, I know there's other reviews of this one out there. So yeah, I'm just going to wear this one for a little bit. We'll do a full review in probably a week or so, week or 2 maybe. So yeah, but the important one is this one. This is a new release from Pagani Design. This is the, my goodness, oh my gosh. Also, I have a ton of these boxes. I think I got 4 or 5 of them now. So if someone wants one, pay shipping and I'll ship it to you in the United States. Anyway, so this is, I'm going to open it up here. So this is the new Paul Newman chronograph. And yeah, I think it looks pretty good. This, what do you guys think? Polished sides here. Pretty nice details on the dial. The dial is definitely white and not really cream. The hands, they look like a kind of a polished black. I don't know if you can see it or not. Like a little polished black there. Subdial hands are polished silver, it looks like. You got the red minute tracker on the outside. Domed sapphire crystal. I'm assuming that's sapphire. Pretty cool case back, as you can see there. The one thing I saw mentioned is that it is a 39mm case. I figured this was just the Pagani, the 1664 or 1664. 1664 or 1644. I can't remember. Either way, they're Daytona models. One of them comes with kind of just straight lugs. The other one comes with these kind of curved down lugs, as you can see here. Yeah, it does actually look a little bit different. Very nice and thin on the lugs there. So this does look a little smaller. I'm going to go and grab my calipers right now. All right, so here's my, got the calipers here. Make sure they're zeroed out. So the bezel measures 38.5, and I'm going to try and get a measurement on the case. It's usually pretty difficult with these things. It's under 40. It's 39, I guess. I'll grab a thickness for you here. 13.3 thick, 20mm lugs, and overall length 47.4. So yeah, there's the dimensions for you. Just a quick look at it. I'm gonna get all the stickers off of this thing, and we'll do one quick kind of a beauty shot of everything on the watch, and I'll wrap it up. All right, guys, so about 10 minutes later, finally got this all taken apart. Just going to give you a quick look around, and yeah, it does look pretty good. You got brushing on the tops of the lugs there, so this is a new case, and it looks pretty darn good, I think. Really tall bezel, kind of. But yeah, screw down crowns, screw down pushers, they all work perfectly. It's got the Seiko VK63 in it. Really happy with that movement. really happy with the dial on it. It actually looks pretty darn good, I think. I'm going to give you nice close-ups here. Yeah, looks pretty darn good to me. It does have that Fotina loom on it, so that's interesting. We'll do a full loom shot during the full review. But yeah, it's definitely interesting. It looks like it has the typical Pagani Design clasp on it. I will say that I was able to open up that Sweaty Day extension, which hasn't been the case in my last 3 Paganis, so it's nice to see. Yeah, other side of the case here, all polished. Very shiny, interesting case design. And case back, got a pretty sweet design on it. But we'll touch base on all of that through the full review. That'll probably be coming out, I don't know, next week or so, maybe a couple weeks time. It all depends on how much time I have. But yeah, this thing does look really, really good. One more shot of that crystal. The crystal looks really, really nice, actually. They say it has anti-reflective coating on it, and I don't know. Actually, doing a pretty good job right here, but yeah, I'll see how it works out for the full review. Let me know what you guys think. Huge thank you goes out to the Pagani Design official store, AliExpress official store. I'm going to leave their link down below. I think retail price is like $110 or something like that. I have seen these go down already on sales for, I believe it was under $90. So really nice watch. Cool, interesting movement. Smaller case, which is really nice to see finally. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.